Okay, now we got our hands nice and clean. We just want to take a little bit of this pulled guy here. And you just maybe put little ears on it. Go off to the side maybe. Just like that. Since this pot's wet enough, I'm not worrying about scratch and slip in it. You can do that if you let your pot dry out a little bit. Probably be good, to give it a little one of these, stay on the safe side. Cut off another allotted amount, about the same as before. And since my attachment was there on this side, I'm going to put it the opposite one on this side. Yeah. And make a twist off to the side. Also maybe leave it a little organic looking there. All right. Now that we got that, pick up our pot. Yeah. And get a perspective on it. See if it's happy. I could see it's happy. Maybe take this tool here. You can just put little marks in it like that. You don't have to. All right. That looks good. You can see it's got some motion it didn't have before. And go. Take your lid. Make sure it's all sized up the right way. Then we're going to go back and we're going to clean it up with this little guy here.